The Cincinnati police officer involved in the shooting death of Ryan Hinton will not face any charges. Hamilton County Prosecutor Connie Pillage announced today the officer-involved shooting was justified. Hinton's family is now planning to sue. Local 12's Paige Barnes is here with how the prosecutor reached that decision and the reactions to it. Paige.
Kyle, Pillage didn't release the names of the 4 responding officers, claiming they're protected under Ohio's version of Marsy's law. Pillage says the officer who fired the fatal shot was justified because Ryan Hinton ignored officers' commands, ran from police with a loaded gun, picked it up when he dropped it, and pointed it at officers.
A legally justified shooting is not the decision Ryan Hinton's family is willing to accept.
One of the things that we did not see today was justice coming from the criminal justice system. But justice is still going to be obtained, and we're here to ensure that that is the case.
Hamilton County Prosecutor Connie Pillage says she went second by second, frame by frame through body camera footage leading up to the shooting and during it. She adds her office reviewed Hinton's cell phone, security footage from the initial call of a stolen car, and interviews with the officers.
We have to stand in the officer's shoes and look through what we think were the officer's eyes and perspective and what was within the limits of the officer's knowledge.
Hinton's family is questioning the credibility of the officers involved. Investigations by the Citizens Complaint Authority and the Cincinnati Police Internal Affairs Unit are still underway.
And we asked the question, why is his word the credible word that the prosecutor's office is willing to take in such a serious matter? We don't think it should be.
Cincinnati Police Chief Teresa Thigi thanked Pillage for reviewing all of the evidence in her decision. She says the officers had to use their training and experience to make a split-second decision.
This is not time for us to take a victory lap. That is not what this is about at all. This is about recognizing that the decision the officers made that day was justified based on what they knew they were dealing with in those few seconds.
The attorneys representing Ryan Hinton's family say a grand jury should have been the ones to decide if the shooting was justified. Pillage responded saying she had enough resources between police and the coroner's office to be able to investigate it herself. The Hinton family attorneys say they will be suing the prosecutor's office. Kyle.
All right, Paige, thank you so much for those updates there. And Chief Thigi confirming to us that the officer involved in that shooting has in fact returned to duty. She defended her decision to sign off on it, saying, quote, "There was no reason to not bring the officer back to work."
You can always find our local 12 stories right here on YouTube. Don't forget to tap subscribe, and then you can get all the notifications.